Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create chapters in YouTube videos. First off, you need to open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture located at the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on your videos. Select a video that is more than 30 seconds to create chapters. Tap on the 3 vertical dots beside the video. Tap on Edit. Now tap on the description. Put the time frame of the chapters you want, but for me, this is how I put it. Now after putting the time frame, go back and click Save. You can also do this when posting a new video. To make sure that the chapters are correct, watch your video and use them. And there you go. You have now created chapters in your YouTube video. Thank you for watching.